Okay, we're on video number 4 for Brooker because I couldn't easily get that screen door open. There was another latch on it I didn't see while I was trying to video, so. A little hideaway area for your trash. That's kind of cool. Looks like that maybe even goes back towards the front. Yeah, they took your trash cans. You can store stuff back here. It's kind of neat. And the street is beautiful. Coming in here, it's very, very well manicured lawns and yards. It looks like a deed restricted community, but it's not. And there's no HOA fees, so that's great. Anyway, we're here at the property on Brooker, and here's your tour of the outside. Again, this wraps up our 4th video for Brooker in Newport Richey. If you have any questions on this home, you can call me at 813-235-9889. Of course, this video is exclusively for Ben and Lydia, but if you're catching this on my blog, feel free to call me to see the inside.